Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. It's been a while since I posted here, but Alhamdulillah, now I'm back. Although today's video is not about me sharing the tutorial, it's just about telling you guys and letting you know why I have been away for so long and why I have not been posting on this channel. Honestly, life has been very busy. I have been juggling between growing my modest fashion business here in South Africa, trying to meet up with a lot of orders, sewing, being a mom, and taking care of my family. All this by myself and while working from home. So it's been a lot and it hasn't been easy. But Alhamdulillah, it's been worth it. So every stitch and every late night, every moment between my family, fabrics, sewing, it's all part of the journey. And every challenge has taught me something beautiful. Now, inshallah, I am back to share more sewing tutorials, tips, and real moments from my fashion journey. And also to inspire other sisters like me. So if you are a mom, a designer, or a creative working from home and feeling overwhelmed, stay tuned. I'll be sharing real tips, experiences, and motivations to help you grow, even when it's just you and your sewing machine. So in this video, I'm just showing the process of making this elegant and beautiful cape dress with a back corset loop. This is a custom design. A customer reached out and requested for this particular cape dress. And here I'm just showing the cutting process. So I started by cutting the basic, the normal bodies, which is in form of a straight A-line dress. And here I'm done cutting the cape. The cape was cut in form of a flare. And here I'm just trying to get a kind of a ruched effect on the shoulder. It has a kind of a ruched, like a gathers kind of a thing on the shoulder, and that's why I'm trying to pin it and to achieve that. So after all the cutting and sewing process, this is the final look. It came out very beautiful. So it has the cape on the sides. It drips down from the shoulder all the way to the floor. So, and it also has a zip at the back. So inshallah, you can let me know what I'd like to know what tutorial you like me to share on this channel. What tutorials will you like to see more on this channel? Will you like it to be like abayas or dresses, hijabs, kimars? Feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to read from you all. And inshallah, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Assalamu alaikum.